Hi, and welcome to this ServiceNav key features video on user services. User services in the context of ServiceNav are business services such as email, CRM systems, or financial apps. User services drive the IT weather screen of ServiceNav, which is discussed in another of these videos. A user service is an aggregation of hosts, service checks, and even other user services arranged in such a way as to respect each element's dependencies and importance in delivering a holistic service. A user service is built by selecting already monitored hosts, their service checks, and often other already configured user services. This user service is comprised of hosts and service components. Note that some elements are blocking in nature, meaning that any deviation from normal operation will cause an outage further up the user service hierarchy. Degrading objects do not cause a loss of service, but may need attention to preserve, for example, architectural resiliency of an overall solution. Once a user service has been configured, it can be viewed via the IT weather view. This is a pictorial view of the hierarchy of dependencies that we saw configured in the previous screen. You can see here that the composition of this CRM app user service constitutes a hierarchy of elements. The hierarchy represents the relative dependencies of elements on each other and indicates how they contribute to and influence the availability of the overall CRM application. The blocking relationships are represented by solid joining lines, whilst those of a degrading nature are depicted as broken or dotted lines. Color changes reflect the health of objects, and their impact cascades upwards through the hierarchy to indicate the overall health of the parent user service. User services can be complex with many dependencies, but even these more complex examples are still built up in the same way as the earlier, simpler example that we saw. Thanks for watching, and check out the other short informational videos from the ServiceNav team.